Statistics, Modeling, and Finance, Chapter 5, Valuation Models, page 3, Use of Models.
Use of models. We use and follow models all the time. Models are the framework for problem solving. USBAP Standards Rule 1-1 says, in developing a real property appraisal, an appraiser must a. Be aware of, understand, and correctly employ those recognized methods and techniques that are necessary to produce a credible appraisal. 1. Those recognized methods and techniques are valuation models that have been developed over the years, and are taught in recognized texts and courses. 1. The Appraisal Foundation, Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice 2024 edition, Washington, D.C. Standard 1. End of page. Mass appraisal. Mass appraisal is defined as the process of valuing a universe of properties as of a given date using standard methodology, employing common data, and allowing for statistical testing. USBAP 2024 edition, often associated with real property tax assessment valuation. A typical real property appraisal assignment involves appraisal of a single subject property. Mass appraisal involves appraising hundreds or thousands of properties all at once. It doesn't mean doing several hundred or several thousand individual appraisals, though. That would be cost prohibitive and time consuming. With a mass appraisal, we employ techniques that enable us to value properties using mathematical models. We may never visit the properties at all. The valuation is performed from data gathered about all the properties. Mass appraisals are made possible through the use of computer programs. Mass appraisal models are employed. A mass appraisal model is defined as a mathematical model used to develop values for each property within a group or universe of properties. Usually, the mass appraisal model utilized is some form of multiple regression analysis. With a multiple regression model, we analyze the interaction of one dependent variable, price, with many independent variables. We don't look at just one variable, such as square footage. We enter data concerning 10, 20, or more variables such as location, number of rooms, quality, condition, etc. Then we let the computer solve the big, long equation. Also, with mass appraisals, we don't just examine 3 or 4 sales, we look at all the sales. End of page. Paired data analysis. Appraisers are generally familiar with the concept of paired data analysis. Paired data analysis is defined as a quantitative technique used to identify and measure adjustments to the sale prices or rents of comparable properties. To apply this technique, sales or rental data on nearly identical properties, or adjusted data, is compared to isolate and estimate a single characteristics effect on value or rent. Example 1, fireplace adjustment. Comparable 1 sells for $185,000 and has a fireplace. Comparable 2 is built by the same builder and is right across the street, and is similar in all aspects except that it has no fireplace. It sells for $180,000. $185,000 to $180,000 equals $5,000. Now here is one where we can't isolate a single difference, but we can match up several differences, make adjustments, and then analyze the remaining difference. Example 2, adjustments. Comparable. Sale 1. Sale 2. Sale 3. Sales price. $120,000. $118,000. $112,000. Garage. 2 car. 1 car. 1 car. Location. Quiet street. Quiet street. Busy street. The only significant difference between sales 1 and 2 is the garage size. The difference in sale price can be attributed to the size of the garage. The indicated adjustment for the garage size is $2,000. Sale 3 is a similar house with a 1-car attached garage, but located adjacent to a busy street. It recently sold for $112,000. This sale can be directly paired with sale 2. The difference in sale price between 2 and 3, $6,000, can be attributed to the busy street. Sale 3 can also be paired with sale 1. There is an $8,000 difference between the sale prices of sales 1 and 3, of which $2,000 is caused by the difference in value between a 1-car garage and a 2-car garage, and $6,000 for the location. End of page.